Hello my honeys, and welcome back to my corner. I know it's been a hot minute since I put up a video, but here he is now. I just want to wish everybody a happy New Year's. I know I'm so late, but I was dealing with a lot of unexpected things with life. Anyway, so excuse me, I'm just coming down, giving over a code too. It's just been one thing after another. I couldn't film because it was cold. The holiday seasons was out of control, and working a lot at my other job, and just life in general was in the way. But I got my coffee, and I got a package from my sister Billi. Thank you, honey, for this package. Let me show you the package because there's some great things, some great pictures. Let me have a lot of interesting stuff. See pictures all around this packaging. How wonderful is that? Don't you think? Yeah, nothing on the bottom, and the top has that. Okay. So we're gonna unbox this bad baby, and I have an upcoming video, but I'm gonna go live for it because I have all these wonderful products that I got from Ipsy from last year that I didn't do. And so I want to do a live video too, so I can, just get this all done for that. And then, start fresh, new. I still got to do the January Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing, which is coming up next year. So I'm going to do this live video probably tomorrow, and then I'm going to do the unboxing video. Probably see that after the live video. Anyway, so let's put on my glasses and let's get started with this. See what's in this package. Okay, let me clean off my glasses. Are these dirty? Damn, bitch, clean your glasses. And don't mind me in my bra because this is my new thing now. My video is gonna be me in my bra in my corner because why not? Oh, it's heavy. This baby is heavy. So we're going to start by opening it up and see what's inside. Sorry for all the loud unboxingness. So, what she said was that you'll be able to hear. Oh, I just destroyed that one. She didn't plan that really well, did she? Sorry, you are Wonder Woman. Damn, that sucks. I can fix it though. Here we go. Oopsie. There we go. All fixed. There we go. Fixed it. Okay, so I already know what's in it because, she's been wanting to send me this for years, since last year. And I've seen pictures, but there's some surprises, she said, in store. So, let's see what's up with the package. Okay, so here we go. Okay, alright. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so there's going to be some fireworks because it's Chinese New Year's and I live close by San Francisco, Chinatown. Anyway, okay, so the window's just right there. So ignore the fireworks. Anyway, so let's get started and see what's inside the Ipsy, I'm not Ipsy, So let's see what's our first item that's in the box. Let's see, this is new. I didn't know this was coming, but it's like a cardigan. An orange cardigan. Let's try it on. Okay, looks good with my bra. You know, it's a bra party. You guys are welcome to the bra party too. So here we go. So yeah, it's just a nice cardigan. See? Hi, cardigan. Okay. So yeah, it's cute. It's gonna be nice for the summer. Because you know, even though it's San Francisco summer's not ever that hot. Then, what's this? We got a light sea green. Oh, this is from, let me tell you where this is from. This is from Active Basic. Oh, so this is for like active wear. You see that? Active Basic. So yeah, it's good with my bra and my leggings. This is also from Active Basics. It's basically the same, like top. I don't know what to call it, a cardigan. I'm gonna just call it a cardigan, but in a blue. Where's that paper thumb? I love the thumb hole things, but yeah. So yep, let me take a look. See at this one. It's good after my workout. Hey, got pockets. Hi, oh my gosh, so genius. Oh yeah, I got pockets. That is super cute. I can't wait to sport these. Like in the summertime. It's too cold right now. San Francisco style. Now we've got some, what are these, jeggings? They look huge. They look really cute. They're like capris. They look capris. Let's try one. Oh, no, bitch. Okay. These are cute. Hi, bitch. What? Okay, so we just keep these on for the remainder of the video. Okay. Next we have this beautiful leather jacket. This is from Lauren Jeans Company, from Ralph Lauren. Okay, so we're going to do a quick try on. Oh, let me show you the tag. My necklace is getting all tangled. Anyway, let me show you the tag so you can see what it looks like. Forget it. Then, okay. Let's do a quick try on. Change the buttons up either way. Okay. Is this cute? Just so like, hi, I'm kind of jealous. So yeah, so this is the jacket. Okay, so this is cute, very sophisticated. Okay, love it. Love it, girl, thank you. Okay, so here we go with that. Perfect. Have a good coffee. Oh, I forgot we got these earrings. Okay, and some extra wires. Okay. Yeah, and next thing is this green. What's this? Green corduroys. And this is from these people. That's from these people. Ciao. Look at that. Ooh, this one's cute. This one's cute too. Here we go, let's take a look. That's right. Hi, I'm so Sam Diamond, bitch. What? 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 What, bitch? What, bitch? Candy. Yes. What, bitch? What you gotta say? Hey, yes, bitch. Alright, what's next? Next one, we got another corduroys. And this one is by XoXo jeans. Okay. Get this on and see what it looks like. Oh, this is very cute and tight fitting. Very sexy. Holy shit. Okay. What, bitch? What, bitch? What, bitch? You said something, bitch? Huh? What? Come party over here. Party over here. Hey, we got a party. Come on over. Yes. Hey, you want to come to a party, bitch? Hey, come on over to the party. Alright, alright. For real though, this is cute. Okay, I'm gonna... What? Oh, you want to get some? Next and last but not least, we have a denim one, and ta-ta. Can never have enough jackets here in San Francisco. For real though. For real. Anyway, so yeah, oh look at this, very Asian-ish. Alright, so yeah, this is this. Hi, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the corner, bitch. What, you want to go shopping? What, shopping? Oh yeah, I need to go do some shopping. Okay, good. Oh, okay. Walk down the street. Hi, hey, honey, want to do some business? Walk down the street. Hey. Yeah. Alright, babies. Alright, my honey, that is it for this Sister Love unboxing. So yeah, take it away, Janice. Anyway, I love you guys. I love you all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below if, yeah. Leave me a comment down below what you would like to see and which one of these is your favorite jacket. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. I always look for new people to hang out in my corner with. You know, the more the merrier. So yeah, join the Honey Squad. Yeah, join the Honey Squad. And hit that like button because, you know, if you like the video, let you know that you like it and you want to see more coming videos like this in the future. So give it a like. If you don't like it, you don't have to do anything you don't want to. I'm just saying. But hit the notification bell so you'll get notified of upcoming videos when I upload them. Anyway, with that said, I love you guys. I love you all, and I will see you here on my corner in the next video. Mwah.